Live wo Adom TV so na ende enwumre so no wani eguso a o hwe no kana hye no so se edru ukwada enwumre bia na yede dwumedi a yatudin se agro ne form na enwumre bia so no yede ebedan wo ene so Adom bi Adom ye se yentena se na fe yensi nkonwa mene abedwafo ene mpanifo ahodo ye metwetwe nkomo enhwe ekwan a yagudie no ebetimi afa na akonanim ene Unim se Ghana Premier League match day 8 etime ekọ so ho sem sen ena esifati ende meba na abedi ho komo sanso ena Aduana Stars ekopie mu ewo bi man so ewom se omudi ntwodie enso me no ka se Aduana qualify konkoden ede akona ne mende yebeba na yabedi ho komo ahwese senkra ena enoma esifanso etie na onso ho sedia enhyehyɛ no enso konkoden ekonanim Commonwealth Games ho sensem adoson na ni nyina mu no yebedo mu asuko nende yedi hu nkoma akra ahwese senkra ena ehon sem so no esifa etie phobia never say die until the bones are rotten still has to folk struggle say ombetimi find it on rhythm na kwamben ena so mo faso na senkra ena be ma team no etimi asode agina na so we ena sema hodo bi ena enanwumre yebesi nkonwa na yede ehon sem nyina so no yede abrewo ene me special guest ewa ha achese enche obehu no kama se ono so adene de etime ade abanemum yemfa ndase de mu odene pa yemfa ma adonko bites adonko ene ensa de biada mekanfo ade ama se occasion bia eda wanim no bomode se obenya adonko bites na watime abobobie ebeboa ye pa ama wasode SCP onim se adonko de hangover bia enim utwa bia ade beche no osode ya twireden na ona okro no mesrew opensa anom na opensa pa anom de a adonko bitesanso na abensuo enei omo ade agu sachet mu kama bomoden se obenya abensuo ne bi na no so occasion bia so no watime abobobi na bema de ese wonom sapa oba de ese wonom sapa menkonom sa ebetwa emfoni enwumakoi na nwumre omo som se yemfa agro ne form dwumedie no yemfa embro medini biem ede Cobblestone metwa me ho aba na fe yepa me ne special guest yede nkomo no ahyehyɛ so me ba esia live ewo Adom TV so ena ene enwumre so no wani egusu asamre o hwe no ewiase afana nyina bebibia mo hwe ewo www.adomonline.com no na se yechia mo nyina na hye no so se ade se agro ne form ene se da dwumedie esifa etie ena enwumre spirit recovery enko enfama GH kwadwo Ghana fo nyina wo mo kwadwo na me wo me special guest Sedu Ademu dodo na ebone mrane se record man ono ewa ha endei mene no eba abedi djuma no sede esifache sede medikan ekache wono ye medikan ahwe Aduana Stars meka se after so many years Ghanaian clubs ye kwa money zone kra na ne ko eden endei Aduana Stars etime qualify after se do se omudi ntwo no oma qualify konkoden ede akọ omanim mamema Sedu akwaba na yenhye enkomatwetwe na se emre sim onso do de beba na yahwe se de enoma esifa etie mina mama ajo bibi ay kama na me do be fine bibi ay kama me he se de o waden den de adama se bibi ay se de dedi
well pay for say enye ne hyen na na eska okọ
enye de hyen na na
ebia na uhuni ni penis no de say koye by bia na ntisa
okay but Aduana Stars omo kodie na Ghana for dodo na anim say eden ya 6-1 there on be qualify
yeah
what is next after say so many years and Ghanaians yentimi tasty group stages no
say enye so many years yes 2 years ago
2 years ago
na say 2 years ago
2 years ago na say
2 years ago na 2 years ago medium IC eba Confederations Cup group stage ema one goal per, one goal different.
Also one goal per.
One goal different per. I don't want to qualify for semi-final.
Okay.
And the
2 years ago.
Only 2 years, 2 years ago.
And in fear, 2 years, you know.
And last season per, and then yeah, 2 teams need now but 2 years ago. Last season, I became any wild star.
And finish him in another form.
No, but when you say in favor Brea,
finish him in another form.
No, but I say in favor Brea, it looks as if say over 10 years Ghana has not been there. But it's only 2 years. So sometimes we exaggerate. You know.
No, Jimmy finish him in no,
my Michelle. Eh, Trikasa no wakano.
Okay.
Trikasa, okase, okan afiba akwa obeka, okan film you know obeka. Na can finish him Brea, not just say uncountable years, number of years.
And you said you're born on your football, yeah.
No, that's not the discussion. But the point is that the point is that only 2 years ago.
And you mean can say okay.
After 2 years ago.
Okay.
And medium IC. And in that competition, almost distinguish you.
Okay.
Because
after 2 years, you know, you got group stages.
That's the point. No, I think that interesting because Diana Stars after 2010 I'm qualify to the Champions League. I'm going to go to the group stage, you know. This time around, Omania lots of experience, and they felt say this time they could do something. Unfortunately, the Champions League proper no, Omania come and fortunately for them as well, no, there is another window at CAF. ABA say, "Mamo film at the Champions League last round. No. You can also make it to the group stage by playing a playoff. And I think in the playoff, Nigerian Stars fan very serious. We have preparation on the Komu. How are even some of the bonus players no at the Champions League? Nana said the president of the club. It me try more. I want to share. I want to count modify before more share your friends Fusa club, Fusa juniors in the first round. I think they meant it. They really wanted to go to the group stage of the competition. And for me, I think I will see a bomb ambassador, and not only the bankroller but the players Nankasa because Adriana Stars, if you are philosophy, they are not a club that scores many goals. And they even stand the record as club keep more clean sheet than the number of goals they scored in the run up to winning their first Premier League in 2009-2010.
Okay.
And for them to go a miles after 3 matches, not much as 16 goals. I mean, it tells you say they've done something significant because in about a week, almost 16 goals. Almost Fusa 6. Yeah. Shentala is 6. Yeah. Actually, 11 is 4. Yeah. It tells you say there's some transformation. So for me, I was not surprised, and I'm not surprised. After all the hectic period, they said on report from their Twitter handle say you go more pian. Yeah, they feel say Kwa United and they go up here. Yes, in the history of Ghana football, Kwa United pen go up here. So, but for such an incident to happen. Now in the midst of all, and you see, for me, I felt it was even unfortunate for Adriana to be reporting that in this continent, your country, that's the point. Your baby, the sort of treatment you should be expecting, and I'm surprised and I'm more expecting a royal treatment in Madagascar.
So mobile maybe treat you royal.
But I'm saying that do 2 things. One, Madagascar is such a rich country. You expect the facilities are. Who call North Africa, who call South Africa, you don't expect to see in Madagascar. You won't see that facility there. That's one aspect. 2, this is a team about watching a 6. And upper Quambia so before be at least overcome. And I say a face saving result. So you don't expect them to give you a royal treat.
But FIFA say fair play and CAF president
nobody is disputing that fact. But the point is that
president
recently Manchester City and Liverpool. Liverpool and Manchester City. Manchester City first leg no more players were attacked. Their coach, their team bars were attacked. Being justified. But I'm saying that in such difficult situations, home teams will want to do anything possible, irrespective of the fact say my game is fair play. Home teams can do lots of things. Last season, what happened between Manchester United and West Ham? Manchester United bars were attacked by West Ham fans. So I mean, these things they happen. There are pockets of violence. They see we are not justifying it, but I'm saying that so we are club now with 2 points, especially when you know that you are going. Yes, we must be prepared for such incidents. And I mean, God being so good, the players were composed. And at the end of the day, they lost 2-1 and going up with a 7-3 aggregate. Now we have to look at the teams that are qualifying and how best. And fortunately for Aduana, now the 8 teams now qualifying. It is spread across the continent. Here, East Africa 2.
Okay.
West Africa 2. Central Africa 2. North Africa 2. Unfortunately, there's no team coming from South African region. So North Africa 2 teams. It is very good for the competition because most of it are not. So when you have many North African teams here, then you know say you may likely get about 2 of them in a group. When you have 2 of them in a group, it makes it very difficult for you. But when you say near medium onya one from North, which was this Algerian club, Melodia club, the OGS, and omunya one from Central African Republic and Congo, which is TP Mazembe, and omunya Zambia team back. I mean Uganda, Tanzania team back. So 4. Tanzania team back 4. So you could see say Azam. It was good because they went to Tanzania. Even though they didn't get a win, they had a very good result. At least they won all their matches at home, except for this Algerian side, our team. And after the group stage, it was only 1 goal difference because not many Melodia club were the same points, but just a goal difference. And the team called semi-finals. So these are lessons that Aduana Stars will have to pick. That 2 North African teams, obviously you may get 1. It is possible they won't get their West African counterpart, which is ASEC. ASEC also are qualified. Maybe, so they won't get ASEC. You may get Al Hilal. So, I mean, you have to start doing this permutation. And if I'm a draw, can I pick all the 3 points at home, which will guarantee me 9 points? Because at this stage, you only need at least 9 points to get to the semi-finals.
And then goals to do
It's not about goals, it's about points, it's about wins. It's about wins. So you have to start doing your calculation. Now, fortunately for Aduana, CAF the rules so clear to the extent that Confederation Cup matches will be played on Sundays.
Okay.
And in Sundays, the times have been put in place: 1 p.m., 4 p.m., and 7 p.m. It is obvious. It is an open secret. It is clear that Aduana Stars cannot play in these 2 times, 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. So they should simply go and opt for the 1 p.m. game, which is
That's a Riano.
That's the point. Also, I'm opting for the 1 p.m. game.
But okay, say, 3 matches. Okay, say Kotoko AAB. Omodi team ni be jine wie ma fedu ba bi na Kotoko team na kura na brechen.
Yes, so
team na no free outside by.
You must be strategic in this investment and in this process. You don't only as a Ghana Yakobo Africa Cup of Nations qualifies against Uganda. Near the Akoshe 2 p.m. or Tamale. When we know say all our players are not even playing in the tropics.
Okay.
But again, unfortunately for them, their players are playing in the tropics. But it's not even about the weather. But I'm saying that 1 p.m. It's obviously the choice Aduana Betima taking because 4 p.m. you be 5:45 now they are 7 p.m. so Aduana Doma there's no floodlight.
Okay.
So the 2 times have been defeated. So they should pick the 1 p.m. game and say Sunday at 1 p.m. say Wednesday at 1 p.m. CAF rules clear say Confederation Cup matches will be played on Sundays and on Wednesdays. And he said, "You
1 p.m., 4 p.m., and 7 p.m.
That is the time.
Wow.
For the Confederations Cup. And it is clear. Aduana Stars must make their time to CAF that we are playing at the Doma Ajimabedu Park, and because there is no floor light, you perceive pick the 1 p.m. matches. Well, you have 3 matches to play at 1 p.m. Point is that can you pick all the maximum points? If you pick the maximum points, you are on your way to the semi-final stage. Then try and get 1 away point draw. 10 points, you are solid. You may even lead your group. So these things you do have to do your analysis right from we qualify. You better draw Saturday. You know the teams are qualified already. You have to start getting analysis. You have to get analysts. You have to get scouts. If possible, send these scouts to the countries. A expensive venture, but who qualify? Who we need? There's the money for you to take.
Okay. But
you have to be one more point. You have to also be able to do a proper analysis. Say competition whether I win or not. How do you do that? Make sure say you use your home matches to fend to fund your travel expenses. And East Africa, that's how the clubs or say about 3 home matches. 3 home matches no obey sure say obenya enough sika at the gates.
Okay.
No, they are funded their away matches. Into a year or more kabiaye, into a winning competition now, additional bonus. And that is how we do football. Unless say we say own football for profit. But so here for profit. this season I call Doma 2 times because how many is EST. That's the point. But the point is that omutimi maximize profit, omutimi jisikano. And you want to share ball nyane yeska. Ebi o nana se membra no ba. That's the point. Obi o nana wo fa se. Nana wo fa se no ba o de nipa me se nechi.
Uncle se membra. Aha, no work an uncle.
Obi o ha enkonwa yiri nua o de nipa me no di nechi aba. Nti we ba na stadium no ayema but na sike bi eni ho. Can the people of Doma understand say nana a capital expensive business no no nti yanko gate nyenkotua say 20 cities 10 cities yentua. These are the analysis. I would say the Adriana team, the management, any board, some more border, they have to sit and analyze from up to the 4th of May or starting the first game.
Okay. Moving forward, no, I'm saying what can no maybe SM penny 40 to 2 years. But I'm sure technically, coach Yusuf Abubakar.
Yeah.
Yenim say the HM netwem ko. Ohe the see ye tamane ye ball knockout stages na. Ebedu baby ne ye kon. It's as if say nka blaster nke beka say coach no will dressing room or say back room or say whatever. This time round, Debena in as a coach, you know, me person me management level, yem fan coach na nkasa ne playing body no. Moving forward no, Debena so mo ya ye bitimi e dey free group stages we mo na fe ya konko dia koye.
Well, you see, unfortunately, e do this stage na difficult say odi adwani na be coaching sir. Because you need about 70% of motivation.
Okay.
70% of assurance. 70% of assurance say boys ni be nim say you too kind nearby whether lose or win or draw you be near bonus. And sa assurance the coach it me assure.
But Adriana dear.
No, but I'm saying me know Adriana winning, but I don't know.
But Adriana for what I know no.
Yes.
Nana emfa bonus ne
and I make say at this stage coach you can't do much. No wait my say one obebo umpire say management will ensure say boys no or more sound mind.
Okay.
So what mean no you have no problem. Adriana 2 incidents before in the run up to Ene. 1 players ekun. 2 management members ekun. Officers say coach obetimi asu ya adwuma. So that's the point. And the coach at this stage there you can only do little. And that little is to pray say boys no they are well motivated and that motivation no you cannot do it alone. You need the backing of management. You must ensure say there's a proper medical team medical setup at your end. Say this competition 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, including say you are all ball league so you have only 30 players. Say you have a proper medical team. Say players prayer. How long is it going to take players to recover and come back? You have a proper physio. You see, in modern football, no, you will never be sabi coaching quantity here. Until you share the UEFA license now, the encompassing management. And to be fair, when you UEFA license no. Now why your proper management or more management modules.
Yeah.
No why your SAP management modules no so
never be say obetimi dey.
As a coach, you know, obetimi combining the technical aspect and the management aspect of a football club. But unfortunately, CAF license no fast management aspect no. Even po the UEFA license scouting crack on.
Wow.
Player management ka ho. Enti game na do level be before you ever as a coach in Europe no you himself could have these qualifications but unfortunately side in New I don't know the qualification for instance Yusuf Kura but I doubt it's up to that level. I'll wait my management players even players a player ego in your man. So at this stage there he has little to do.
Okay.
Majority of Edgeman general management.
Okay.
And so say you will be or say a camera management. Say at this stage Edgeman no final cramo. Munya sure say at game time your players know you're well psyched up, there's no injury, the medical aspect of the game is taken care of, motivation is taken care of, then the coach knows to make a managing boys know on the field of play. But secondly, I think Adriana they be able to see who is his assistant. So that's the point. One any assistant at any proper football match you need 2 eyes. The assistant should be watching your opponent whilst you, the head coach, watch your team. So, intermittently no the assistant be ba wa be catch you say na team ni yo nti enye say na team yo enye say question Adriana Stars omo proper assistant reference and coach and I say a qualified assistant coach obetimi atoto niema e de abo Yusuf they be abo Yusuf the minimum assistant Adriana assistant but in this game in this modern era the role of assistant coach is very key in the success of a team. And I think say from Cecilia I could do 4th May there, I'm say 2 weeks, but Adriana Stars can turn things around, and we hope say many favorable for instance groupings. Now at least I'm gonna make it the semi-final stage. Okay.
And I know I said there what say menu apanyini Sedu Ademu Oguso Echeche no many so say Adriana Stars and they okom ko gina ye Ghana fo nyina ye franka enom de koye achese nkunimdi aba no eye nyina ena sa eye nkunimdi abotire no ye de abuati na mo ye hwedim se nyame atuma after Saturday no ye de draw no so ho nsem nyina so beba na ye de abedown mame ntwa me hotel otiase me ba nkomo no dodo na ena wo akire esanse Commonwealth games e koba ye no akire nsem akoye yompo ye de 1 medal ena free oba ye ba ye no omo eje suspension eje omo ese ekofie nso no megidi se omo leta nam kwan so eba ene ehunhwehwemu bi a empenifo eye ni nyina no ebeba bedi hu nkomo na afia behwe Ghana Premier League House of Folk ene kotoko santafo yi santafo mienu yi ba ko alusu ene ya ba ko abodre wanhwa Sunday ba ko nsu belusu na ba ko nsu abodro meba ne de ato aso dem eba isia. Mame san emu akwa babiem emfamra Adom TV so Agoro ne form ene dwumedia ene enwumre wani eguso a ohwe no na odendase ede ma Adonko bitters Adonko eno eye bitters of the moment mesrew obomode ase unya 3 shots ode bomode se per glass a sebe ahumkawum e luku sexy na twa 3 shots fegum na nya ice cubes be bakumienu bi fatum na fesiwanim bonsampa Adonko bitters eno eneye the bitters of the moment at sampa dodo na edi ho adanse sanso ena abensuo eno so no eyensa ene ede yipa ginger ni ginem advert ne kra na ekumi no o si ginger ni ginem yensa onnom no na san eji yenoma yakasa ni yeminu nyina awe na se yemu obetina ase abako na omu nyina ye oya esiro yedufia yedwetwa bia eye abensuo eno ena chese dani denya no eboaye Sedu Ademu still eda so ewofia ha na mame ko ne hobiem na yenhwe team Ghana ekopie mo Commonwealth games no ase na Ademu ye one journalist na o follow team no from day one ame addressing ye pamfama beka Sedu Ademu a sebe onye obia keke enoti show no so otiase oye journalist ye ka say ye football no abakwasem etachire anase de ye boy de say ekokoyie ekwan fa so address issues no he is on top and afi other sports enye journalist o follow football nko a de biada no ya dia say badminton say hockey say whatever nyina ya dia Sedu Ademu a wo hwe ne sa no odi akire pa na minim se u follow Commonwealth games no ye hwe team Ghana performance ye hwe nim se benya dem gidi se Ghana ni bia ni wa ye konya 1 bronze no na kuma to ne yem but maminchi o kakra bi ewo de kosi ye ene de start free ha ne de ko ene de ya san de bay
well me da se say before cry be fi Ghana ha ko no me catch madam for be say obra ye kwakobo a kire the Queen of England and kwan sati say ye boss abra na nyefe ohwe kwan ya ja at least no kwan e the corporate games campaign no crampo you could see say there was no seriousness in what we were doing and for me media I'm not surprised Emra no mo say 5 medals no me I knew say no more dada Ghana for
they say before you be ko no wo da hu say
me preparation no was so serious me can say deputy minister no or dada Ghana for no it no dada it does not that and I know try and throw. And I say no nim. There was no way we were going to get more than 3 medals. There was no way. There was no way.
That's a one no crowd, don't be crowd.
No, but obviously, just Latte, he was not a medal hopeful. Just Latte Crampo, he was not even a considered athlete and all competition before. Of course. And your medal hopeful was no. Omar Wahida ya bonidin.
Boxer no.
4 years ago, Okowini bronze. Basine.
Yenchianaka.
That's the point.
Then
promising $3,000 4 years ago. Sani I see a $1 a day. I'm not Okowini bronze no. From around August 2014. See I say every day. A branch and ministry beji $1. Kakuti say basine se ka send yamano.
You real crowded that.
And she said, promise will be now 4 years. Now 4 years down the line. Osa de na kodja santo kwana no. Se abrante ndo kwa bia me di ba se beku. Na okun di kunima sika se na me ma. A obe mia ne kun di kunim na wa ma ne sai sika no. Na sebi no wa jimini nti. No wasan akofa na ba se san beku santo kwana na jiska no.
No so akokun.
He was the first boxer ya born no. The first attempt he was out. No, but you see, I say you're serious in this country.
But person bisa, mam bisa bibi kakra. Ministry hono. Transition no mo ye no. Sa enkratasem a fa se obi akotu mirika ba, yentua ne ka, obi akobobo obi aba, yentua ne ka, emba ya akokom ho aba. Eya na transition enka wana.
Minka, but and a proper institution or second because Ura Kwame Siama, Minister of Youth and Sports, MIT as say about $50 million dollars or Minister of Youth and Sports. Into me say Nasa into Tiani now or my idiom athletes. Our Makusia can more minor idiom. Now only do you know one funny thing is see where I'm not a athlete in the coin. Beside the deputy minister, me say upon one statement. And what can say supposedly say onyindi say you bika athlete bika. Wow. Can you imagine? As the chairman of the International Games Committee, who say win a year was say you say 4 years ago the athletes bika.
Look at that.
And me many of the athletes here no money. No money or brown mekwakobo no money. Like the hockey team. Hockey team no mo say the only country I know munim says or mushia or metimi or maybe abodroy Scotland. Now the other countries put on mobile pies or maybe reduce scores. They were honest with themselves. Swimming not they knew say omunji medal, but they knew say they wanted to improve upon their times. The only place I know him say any day you was sure was at weightlifting, any boxing, yeah. Ye suma branch and say on the 77 millions and 2 medal. You see, you don't treat such a big tournament as an event. A process. And so how haluti the interviewer or say or such athletics 4 years penny. Nemo money or mutunu. They started 12 years. It is the conclusion of the discussion that in such a tournament you need to prepare at least 12 years to be able to get to the medal mark. Athletes, many of them on the first time. You want to make we can't. You see, I was saying you revamp your sport, you recycle, no, you go back to basics.
Now me can be say 2020. Abayanka say, okay, modern prepare. Now you prepare another 2 years in count. You prepare another 6 years no international games.
No, you see,
no international whatever.
Me I disagree with South School of Thought. No, say athletes are qualifier encore. So a qualifying quadia. Per point is that say athletes you call competition. Let's be real. At the end, you're expecting. See, expecting so omunko better on time. Let's be real to Ghanaians. So athletes are equal. 100 meters, the world record at 9.69. na mo ya at least ekutai omo personal best e be at 10.42 and at 10.45.
Okay.
Therefore ye do omo call am two with the best in the world to better their time. O can say better as here.
Okay.
This is weightlifting.
Okay.
E be a champion no in the 92 kg no. Nipa no call these attempts no afa. So ye the athlete you call no akọ better the weight.
Personal best.
That's the point. So you can give yourself that 12-year cycle, and the 12-year cycle is 3 Olympics, 3 Commonwealth Games, 3 All Africa Games. So you have 9 major competitions. You can do that 3 years. 3 years.
System monitor them.
No, you see, now the science about and scientifically, a bit much athletes they can peak. So now you have to use the scientific approach. And ask yourself, say, what's her age? So 18 years. Now go to the pick her and go and do the scientific analysis and see, say, by her genes, no, can she peak at the age of 24 years expecting Anna? Because in Europe, they know all these things. In many of the athletes, they don't waste money on them. Because some of them say, penny genes, no, ultimately picky at the time I expect to be do that level, no. So they look for athletes that they know, say, scientifically, their genes and their hormones and the rest, no, can put them at that level at a certain age. But unfortunately, we don't do that. You see, like I said, Yanko back to basics.
Okay.
Yanko started fresh. Let's look for the 12-year-olds. Let's do the scientific analysis of them. No, that's the point. We have to start. We have to start from basics. It is a 12-year cycle. And 12-year cycle, no, you want to get an athlete at the age of 24 or be 200 more, need the top rank. So you have to start at age 12. Go and pick them at age 12. Their first major competition should be age 16, 4 years. Their next major competition should be age 20. So age 16, no, 16, 17, 18, they can participate in the Youth Olympic Games, Youth International Championship, Youth African Championship. They can go through these cycles. Into overdo 18, no, now or picking, no mature to go into the proper competitions. So at age 20, no, I call the second Olympics, and then the second Commonwealth Games, and then the second All African Games. At this stage, so Timiko 2 All Africa Games, 2 Commonwealth Games, 2 Olympics. He has seen it all in the world. And by the time we call the 3rd Olympics, so trust me, and this thing, and you see me na meti account. Many countries have experimented it and it is working for them. Australia, Germany, England, USA, Japan, China, Russia. They have done it over and over again, and it is perfectly working for them. The 12-year cycle, and your magic.
Okay, all right. Episode 4, enti na ese sedu ademu, ena semikan wa semchiro, ena oche se meneno edin komo. Bejidi se embre wo ma enka yebetwetwe nkoma na ka Commonwealth Games yi yebegyinem na yedi ho nkoma yie pa na so emre ntino ese eche ne kakrenkra yebu no tot se dia wanya Adom competitors bi na wo bobo no utwa ne tot sa na ese de konkone ekoyenim ntino mayemra na fe yemehwe Ghana Premier League match week 8 eyadea etodwa na surprises ewom de enya de da form Oko Elmina reporter yensa kan ye after the game ne say 45 minutes per and your boy ye ewo Elmina ache say referee oko ginemu Sergio menim say Sergio mano ewo a wo referee no said ya yapo no na referee ne ye de boa poni team ne moja etu referee no utum say Ghana football ye wo chire pa but mayeni kan enko hwe said na resource no esifa etie na fe yewia ye de aka ato so ama nti resource no ene de o hwe e wo screen so no na ese eye wafa ene Ashanti Gold omokwati ponkro 1-1 ena fe eye Bechem United almost ene Wild Stars eno ekoye 2-1 na Bechem edin kunim Emina Sharks ene mediama eye 0-0 said di kankan no sakensi no yambo 45 minutes e kai no amfan counterlies and so S11 the sekaba kwa womo anti Karela United womo chi House of Folk ebo mo kamiensa ema has eti mo baako has na kwato twede kaniu nanso antime ankosiaga wafa ene Ashgood ekwati penkro eno ekwaye 1-1 ti sedia na noma esifatie no nyame adoma kina Liberty Professionals and the Dreams FC ebebo and afi Adriana Stars omo bafia she say Adriana omanya
omo
four outstanding matches.
So be do before Saturday there. That means 5. That means 5.
No Saturday metimi abosa.
Some kai omo do before Saturday. So we do Friday, they can play on Sunday.
Okay.
Because the last time we call Algeria no. We do Friday.
Ma me fa table no so ma yetifo no mo hu se yahwefo no mo hu se de no so etifati. Asante Good wabo 7 games or 14 points. Karela United wabo 8 games ni nyina ono so 14 points. Mediama abo 6 games over 13 points. And Allies abo a year 8 games over 12 points. Sanso and Emina Sharks abo 6 games over 11 points. Dreams FC abo 7 games ono 11 points. Afe Asante Kotoko yanom omo abo 8 ni nyina still 11 na and omo da omo form bo Bechem United and so abo 8 ni nya otum sapa said their table yanom but then Dr. Kasai Dr. the supporters ne Kasai bisaum say die home bia no omo mfa metu na in fact omo Kasai bebere mi gidi say emresem ye de honsem ebebreti for
no ba wonim me tie Dr. Kasai no I enya no na me expect say also catch it afọ no
Dr. Chi.
No, you see
his Anna Dr. Chi.
You see Neo catch no. He was only minka so show mun crampo. Maybe not that. No, maybe not that. Mami chel. Supporters, oba so new supporters kasa. Put down your plan. Supporters see team here they are 10 years. Then mum the first 5 years me year A B C. Na ABC na me ye no, me say mo 12 in him.
Hey, but say
no,
so on G Africa market to call on Jai team into
and this and yet sabi and ya know their digital trophy. It is deeds, not words. And ya no, you have to put up a DNHS open so J Africa. DNHS
no mo ko ya o so
no but sabi me buy obey untua ni school fees here. We so pass exams obeto car man. Now school fees no went to obey no akosu they pass exams. Kumasa Sandy Korean House of Folk, they must do something different. Amu ye ni club bia ye no bi.
The obia ordinary I mean
they must do something different. Now I next me be different akotoko eye than Karela. Tell me what different is Kotoko, but Kotoko should not be behaving like Karela. You see, maybe, just maybe, say, Omoa and no more Kotoko, Ebia, Omoa Beto Kotoko. But say a Kasa Kotoko. Maybe we are underrating the name Kotoko.
Pepe say, ye share referee na, ye gusu kase ya no. Ye share but message for say, picture no, say the moja ni TNT no. Yana omo de ache referee ye kan wasem no ono no Nuhu Liman ena nei o hwese de a e bo pa ye de bo referee team Ghana football ene ye da so
I'm say unfortunately still are conflicting reports as to the no and I think say by your channel who ni ya and there are people are more started condemning and no cry is so unfortunate say okobrekum me yakobo no I was here with the circumstances that led to near AC no.
Of course.
Maybe I become they are different. Maybe I have to be different. To condemn him and say 8 matches, on first 8 matches, Yabunu 2 times. Let's be able to establish what really transpired. As we speak, obisi eto bobo no. Ebisi nipa me be attacking. Ebisi what here. And I'm sure say by Ochina we will get a proper but
okay.
But obi am do football na me di football and some of us have been attacked before no. I think I will condemn whatever I see as incident AC because sebi enyefe ye na I cry me no ka say me physical ko pen e bai o crash o kobobo o ko di referee o ko hwe ball
oyere e be hwe na
sebi football is not deaf and life matter. It's Agoro form.
Agoro form. Ma further no enchire.
So I think it's unfortunate, but we will still wait for the full report and see say what happened. And even the reason Tia game required to us because from reports and I'm reading not almost 24th referee no abedi. I feel they train as fourth referee now. So we have to be able to. I think the FA must be, or say an agree. FA to me establish.
FA office no me man agree.
No, you see, sabi any office dino, but the persons in the office. I was saying agree. Or to establishing. The system. People get confidence in the system. They say people continuously get information. They say coming the FA should work around.
Okay.
Nanka ebe do anapa no. Now there's a press statement. No, there's a press statement.
Okay.
Now FA release the press statement.
Our website bang.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Our website in
No, so mutuma ya we will share. Mutuma media for.
Mate.
Ana mutuma media for. That's the point. No, but I said I think so the new FA new website ba.
Okay.
That's
but then my
the information I have is that on the new website ba.
But that's it. Meba na fe meba what be share House of Folk. Omukoto twede kane. No,
you see.
Na yabobo.
I don't think say no, but me say I don't think say was say you spend time no na you share this say bia obi a won no nim say House will lose today's game.
Really?
Now nim say House will lose any game.
Me ba na ya to aso ma mentwa me hotel na me nkofa maboafo enkrato ye ba sedu ademu. In fact, wama me ankasa as host my enjoy show ni ye pa. Ye ba na ya to aso de ama. Mamensan emu akwa babiem emfamra Adom TV so na se Agoro ne form en assembly wani eguso a o hwe no live ewo Adom TV so na de bia da meka se endase ne de ya fama Adom Kobites en afi abensuo ensa a chese nei dodo na agiatum no omo ena suemu ema de bia da ye de Agoro ne form dwumedie no ye de ebrewo sedu ewa ha na ye behwe na afi ya wrap up na afi ya sore so na yakope be biada na ya dwen ho yeda kra sedu ye hwe House of Folk now can be about House team ne say come okono now the assess still no who are same so
no you see this will be a stranger in Jerusalem who Karela team na
Justice
and your coach no po
okay
the management no I said that a system no and my own players they can help the system. We be someone say House of Folk there and there more recruitment plan because we a team now we key players our club no league poanji but they were very influential in the local scene, the FA Cup, the national team and the rest. That's where Jaumina ako and that's what went man club no more. You need to ensure say players are able no could have the same quality. I yourself say is that the same? Coach Koye, Coach Amadema, is that the same
assistant
level?
Coach
So the point is, they keep doing the same thing and expect a different results. And yet possible. Has and Kotoko. Some person who are relevant in the system, they must do something different. Because near Titino Muya na or Mudiji Lawrence no. Now people are doing same and even doing better than they are doing. Has to me, Bobo. Na ni has players shatari fufro. Na goalkeeper should be fufro. Coach should be fufro. They don't even understand what is corporate branding. And point I say ni ho.
Asemu no ta kura de charity ne call Cape Coast.
So I think say you see, mama go back to Dr. Chi. Me say supporters ni jini tuma. On chiro mo say me mama 5 years. 5 years meji Africa mam. Na mom sa 5 years no mu no. First year me say second year, may you say, third year, may you say, fourth year, may you say, in the run up to winning the Africa. Which means 7 for one pay Mbekase, Obeji Africa Cup. Now supporters now buy you. 1 year, Kotokwa used to 7 coaches. It tells you, say, there's no direction.
Okay.
Because if there's a direction now, and you know that this is what you want to achieve, say results no background poor, you know, say, there is something you are working towards.
Okay.
So Etifia Assembly say House and Kotoko must do something different than what they are doing now. Other than that, they will keep getting the same results.
But that's it.
but my opportunity na my boss ba could be also or show me your friend Kweku on the editor in chief of 442ghana.com 442ghana.com Kweku also or show ni pa nti me fan chia ke se ma no
Samson me so ma me be your friend no sister Adwoa or bush canteen Ajiringa no shiashi yes and of me old lady ankasa babe ono so omonyina ehwe ne life enti no ye de besi ewa ha na fe nyame ya adum ya dasende ye be saba ne de akam nyina so no ye de abedan fandase ne bi former me wonderful crew and then me cameraman dudu sanso na me director Mauli and afe Sergio Manucho the unbeatable producer ono so eteche dindinde and afe sound engineer Bright ono so no menda mo nyina se sende mo so mo ka o ma di dwumedi no ye de bro kwadwo mensa mo shosho bebi a hye bia no ye we show speed recovery se nyame ma wa hoden na nyame ya adom echina o de aka edi aba yakra mo nyina